Rascal. 1,200 feet. Launch. What? Wires. There you go. Look at that. We might want to take that off. Scrape it off real quick. Previous launches.
That's alright. The pin out?
Yep.
Come a couple steps closer.
Putting cables on.
Yeah, stay on there.
Where is it?
There's a bug on the phone.
Yes! It's probably going to fly away when it hears it.
It's going to get ripped right off.
It's not going to have time to react.
Alright, wait now. Wait, No.
No, we weren't. This is dangerous. The bug's still on it.
Alright, here we go. Put the pin in.
Hold it.
Alright, hit the button. Back up.
I see it. I still see it. I don't see it. It went into the sky. I see it. I see it. It's right there.
I see it. Alright, I see it. I don't see a parachute. Yeah, I do. I got it.
It's coming down quick.
It's not coming down quick.
Don't go in the sun.
Towards the sun. You see it?
Yep.
Right near the sun.
I lost it. I can't see.
Got it. Went into the sun.
Can you see it still?
No. Yep, I got it. Going towards the house.
No.
See it? Right there.
No.
Spinning.
Where?
Right there.
In the sky?
Huh? You
How?
see it?
No.
Right by the clouds. It's coming out of the clouds now.
Oh, there it is. It's coming right here. I'm going to catch it.
Oh, the wind's got it. Wind's going the wrong way.
No. It's going to go in the tree. Hey, Melissa, catch it! It's in the sky! I'm chasing it down. Please be in the air. Is it still in the air? No. Yes. Yeah. Got it. Yep. Other side. Come here. What? All right.